Hey guys, today I'm going to be putting on a face mask, and I know that's not really a lot to be proud of, but I literally have no face mask. So before I start this video, I need you to like and subscribe. So today I will be putting on a face mask, like I said. We will be putting on this way to skin mask, and it is an age-defying skin. No, I don't know. Age-defying. So, does that mean? Anyways. I don't know if I want to define my age. Anyways, let's get our hairbrush out and let's start brushing. Anyways, I'm so excited to edit this video. I'm so excited, bro. Okay guys, so I just brushed my hair and we're going to turn on my light. Hold on guys. Anyways, first, oh yeah, this is water because I literally just took a shower. First, where is my freaking headband? Oh, there it is. Okay. We're going. Oh my god, help. And we're going to make sure that this is all pulled up.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
Okay. Let's make sure that all the makeup is wiped off with some Apple face wipe. We're making sure it's all wiped off. And then we need to dry it off. Okay, yep, there was definitely still some makeup on there, as you can see. I guess I did not wash. Okay, guys. What else? Just like doesn't like the vegan teacher. I don't know. I don't like the vegan teacher. She's just weird. And from heavens all above, they are probably mad as heck.
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone. You know, pick up your phone. Your phone ringing. Your phone going to go to voicemail. Goodbye.
Into the face mask. Okay, but whatever. It's fine. Okay, I can do it. This smells so good. This smells so freaking good. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of the juice of this into a freaking bottle, because if this is defying my age, I might want it sometime soon. So let me just empty that bottle, and then I can freaking, oh my lord. Where's an empty bottle? Where's a freaking empty bottle? Oh my god. Okay, so Now I'm just gonna pour it in here. Yeah. There's someone here. There's someone there. Okay, so I'm definitely not packaging. Oh my god, it's all in my hands. I hate this. I feel distracted right now. Well, I guess for the most part, that's what I did. Yeah. Let's just try this again. Really freaking bad. Oh my god, I just missed it. Oh my god, wait, it's actually working. Okay, it's actually working, guys. It actually is working. Like, really good. Sorry guys, I was having a brain,
Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like what G's. Don't get me.
a brain drain or whatever it's called these days. Oh my god, it's so wrinkly. Okay. I think that I did pretty good. I think I did amazing. No, I was so mad this one time. Oh my god, I'm not even gonna tell you, bro. Tell me why I didn't want to look younger. Tell me why I have to look younger because of face mask. Tell me why I even opened this face mask, but I did it anyway. Yeah, that was totally not a rap song. I literally just made up a second ago. Tell me why the face mask is on, and now I have to end the video. Anyways, hope y'all guys. Anyway, yes.
No, 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 no. Just like the wind.
Okay, yeah. She needs to shut her mouth. This is totally danger. Anyways, guys. Oh my god, no. I hate curls in my freaking. I hate it. Where am I? Game to the brush. I looked in my hair first. We're just gonna put this in my hair and hope for the best. My hair is just literally right here. I already brushed my teeth. Yeah, don't ask. Don't ask. I need to find a good picture. I need to edit a picture. I need to edit a picture of this video right here. So, wait.
Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows, everything.
Who else saw my TV turn off? Because I was just ignoring that the whole time. Anyway, we're only curling my freaking ends. I hate when I don't get to curl my freaking ends. Cause without my ends, okay?
Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows, everything that's wonderful is what I feel when we're together. Brighter than a lucky penny when you're near. The rain goes, disappears, dear, and I feel so fine just to know that you are mine.
It hurt like crazy. Dang, even if I could feet be fixed. Hey. Guys, I'm just sitting here editing this, and I do not know what the heck I'm doing on there. Just staring at the screen, looking into your freaking soul. I just put it in my hair. Okay. Then I need to hold up my face mask packaging and just take a picture of that. Let's take a picture of the face mask packaging. Okay guys, so that's all. Oh no. No. My dad gave me that. No. Oh my god. It's fine. I still have my A necklace, but nothing's gonna change that like my dad's necklace is, okay? This is so bad. Okay, anyways. Yeah. Got this one from McDonald's. But yeah. Anyways, bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, okay? Because I did this for YouTube. For you guys right there. So you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. This is my freckle that's been there forever. And I used to make it my friend, my best friend. But I don't want it to be my best friend anymore. Because I don't talk to my fingers. And I don't talk to my freckles anymore. But, bye guys. Like and subscribe. And yeah, hit the post notifications and bye. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe and hit notifications. Anyways, bye.